Brother Barnes, your biology study partner, and I'm on my third or fourth attempt at this slide here. So I'm going to record what I have and just try to submit it for your approval. When DNA is converted to an RNA code, this is called what? Let's imagine that this is an anti-parallel strand, a helix of DNA. It's not a single strand, it's double-stranded. Notice that the thymine has a match to it. Cytosine and guanine have matches as well. If we were trying to copy to an RNA copy, though, we don't copy a T to an A, we copy a U to an A. And so this would be the little piece of messenger RNA that would be formed in this process called this. Strangely, only about 1% of DNA actually codes for proteins, and a lot of it is non-coding. That's a big question mark. Not simply what percent, but what does that mean? And then lastly, a unit of hereditary information encoded into DNA is called this. And one book I've read talks about how that this is a point of misunderstanding between, well, maybe not misunderstanding, but debate between scientists as to what is the definition of a gene.